Hey Collage crew, welcome back to Pro Tips on PicCollage. In our last video, we showed you how to take photo editing to the next level with magic tools. Check it out here if you haven't seen it yet. In this video, we'll be getting cozy with different ideas for an autumn-themed collage. Head to the PicCollage app and get started with the grids button at the top here. Pull up this tab to see your photo album and add the photos you want to collage. The different layout options will appear at the top here as you add photos. Just tap on your favorite one. You can also rearrange your photos within the grids once you've selected your layout option. Now let's make this collage a little more exciting with some seasonal stickers. Head to the Stickers tab at the bottom, tap the search icon, and check out what's in the fall category. Let's go with this one for our photos this time. Just tap on the stickers to add them to the collage. Then resize them and move them around till you're happy with it. Then just hit done and save your collage. If you're into a more free vibe, try out frame pickers in the PicCollage homepage. Tap on Freestyle to get started. Then tap on More at the bottom left and go to Frames. You can browse through the different photo frame options. For this collage, let's go with these ones since they feel more rustic and autumnal. All that's left to do is add your photos to each frame and rearrange them. You can swap photos by tapping on the photo and moving it, or move frames entirely by dragging the frame itself. Finally, top off the fall aesthetic with a nice background. Head to the Backgrounds tab at the bottom, tap on the search icon, and let's just use the Autumn Dreams pack at the top here. We'll go with this one now. Just tap the check mark, done, and save your collage. Last but not least, we'll show you a quick way to add a fun fall aesthetic to your photos. Start with the Edit Photo button and add the photo you want to edit. Then, just tap on Magic Effects here and choose Autumn Glow to add a warm and cozy effect to your photo. You can hold and release the button here to check out the before and after. As always, tap the check mark and save. And that's all for this video. If you liked it, leave a like and subscribe, or leave a comment on what your favorite tip was. Stay tuned for more photo editing tips. Thanks, PicCollage crew!